How to limit battery charge in Windows 11. So if you want to limit the battery charge in Windows 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your settings. After opening your settings on your Windows 11, here on the left side, you need to search for battery. And here you will have power, sleep, and battery settings. Just click on it, it will take you to your power and battery option. So under power and battery, as you can see that I have the power, which is 100%, and here you will have your energy recommendations. You can go with the recommendations and you can turn apply all to start saving your energy. And after that, go back, and here you will have power options, so you can go with screen and sleep. And here you can either select 2 minutes or 10 minutes or 5 minutes depending on the usage of your laptop or your computer. After that, you'll have power mode. You can select the power mode as balanced or best performance or best power efficiency. So the first one will be best. Other options are like battery saver. You can go with the battery saver and you can turn it on at 20% and then lower your screen brightness when using your battery saver. After that, you can check your battery usage and you can limit your battery usage by just adjusting some settings right here from the applications or from the files. So in this way, you'll be able to limit your battery charge in your Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.